What's up, family? It's your boy Ronnie here, and hey, it's time. The road to 10K. All right, so I talked to a lot of you guys, and I told you, hey, I'm trying to do my part to get more people a skin in the game into stocks, getting more people involved and learning more about stocks, different strategies, how the market works, how to play the market, and how to win big in today's economy, where it's really not many opportunities to get as many gains as we've been seeing in 2020. I think 2021 is another big year for the market and a lot of investors. So might as well come in and get your money and get ahead. I mean, it's many reasons why you want to do this. First, you might want to learn how to play stocks, do the stock market. You might not have any experience in it. You might be scared of big losses, or you may just want to learn something. Maybe you have a car you want to pay off, maybe a house you want to pay off, maybe you just want to build some financial cushion for your retirement. It's many reasons to go and invest. It's many reasons. And so I'm doing my part to share the knowledge that I have to give you a play-by-play of me building my portfolio to 10K. So this is how it's going to work. I'm going to start my account with a $2,500 investment. So my account will have $2,500 for me to buy stocks initially. It's very important to have money in your account to invest with. You can't buy stocks without money, right? So you don't need as much as $2,500, although more will help you get to 10K faster, of course. But if you have less, then just buy a smaller number of shares. A smaller quantity of shares. It's probably going to take you a little longer, but you got to feed that account as well. So even with my $2,500 investment, I'm looking at putting about $400 a month or $100 a week into that account to feed it. If you have more, go ahead and put more in. So let's say you had $400 to put in every week. Do that. But I'm staying at $100 because I want to make it average. So the average is to get more people more realistic growth numbers and expectations. When do I expect to hit 10K? My personal goal is to hit 10K by March 2021. Now, if I miss that, that's fine, but $2,500 turns to 10K by March is a pretty big flip. So what you talking about, flipping money 4 times? So that's how aggressive I want to be, and we're just gonna see where we get by March. So if you don't have an account, if you don't have a stock account already, there'll be a link in my bio to help you get started with Robinhood. Now I'm starting tomorrow, so right now it is December the 9th. Tomorrow I'm starting December 10th, bright and early in the morning. I wanted to start my account with with Robinhood, but I can only have one Robinhood account, and right now that account is way past 10K. So I gotta start over from scratch, and I had to do it with E-Trade. So I recommend you do use Robinhood. It's the most user-friendly app for beginners, but I'm gonna do E-Trade. So what's going to happen is I'm going to post in my chat, that's also in the link below, a play-by-play of what I'm buying and my expectations. Now, granted, first of all, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not soliciting stock investment advice. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. So every investment has its chances of succeeding or failure. Every investment has a chance to not realize what you want. But I'm just going to show you play-by-play and grow. So this works best when you guys get involved as well. Most people that invest know other people that invest. So you come in, you get involved. I share my stock and my expectations. You share your stock and your expectations. I'll do the research, and then I'll also share what I do during the research. I'm also going to educate, and you will educate me. It's going to be a knowledge share. So this is going to be a fun experience, and I don't expect us to lose money, but anything can happen. But Warren Buffett says a loss is not realized until you sell it. So first rule of stocks, don't sell a loss. Second rule is don't forget rule number 1. So this is what we're gonna do. And please join me on the road to 10K. Again, as of now, December 9th, the chat is free. So you can join for free. Now, once we grow, me and the team grows to 10K, I can't promise I'm gonna keep it free. At that point, we're gonna be trying to get to the next 10K. So yeah, this is Ronnie, and come join the road to 10K. Link below. See you in class.